moving on, we got this UK 100 index. So I've been looking to short this. I drew this probably middle of the week. No, I drew it at the start of the week. So price, there was no trade, but price did not break this little area here, which I needed it to break. So no trade, but then it pushed up higher than this zone. So, but it is now currently bearish. It's below this moving average. We could extend this zone up here, and you got a nice bearish engulfing candle. So this this pulled up higher than I thought it would, but this UK index has been all over the place lately, so that makes sense that it didn't do what I thought it would do once again. But it is showing that, you know, now it wants to go down. You got this big bearish engulfing candle here, so now this is your sell-off zone, but odds are price won't make it back up here. And you know, we're still looking at this nice short for the month, and after today this might be where it's you know, it may have started now. So maybe, well, it started back here at 7,700 early on the month, like the first day of the month, but now we got to see if it can break this little area here, which I think it will. As far as it doing it today, I don't know. It's pretty much out of range. It's at about 74 points, and it moves about 79 in a day. So it might not break it today, but as far as tomorrow, or sorry, Monday, I guess, it very well could. And you can see it's coming right into this moving average now, this 4-hour moving average. So it's going to decide if it wants to reject it or not. Well, I think it's going to come down to this zone and maybe hesitate a little bit and pull back up a bit. So therefore we'll be able to get in on a trade. So we need this to come down. So I don't want to short this yet, and obviously it's Friday, I'm not taking no trades, but see if price comes down, pulls back up a bit, then we'll look for something like this. I mean, it'd be nice if price came back up in the zone, but it's pretty doubtful. I think would actually probably split the difference here. I think would be something like this. You can see all these wicks in here, all this structure, you know, in between here and here. So price might come back up into the zone, and then we're going to look for a short position here, something like this. Obviously we'll have to wait for and see what it does, but I don't really think price will come up back to this zone. It'll probably make a zone right below it, and we'll see how that goes. And then this is still our target, 72.50 for the month. I do think it'll hit that. Yeah, this looks really good to me. You can see like the bears finally came back. They're finally in. They broke through this zone here, you know, broke the bottoms of this. So now you can see it's heavy into this little zone here. This is actually a big zone, so, but I'm going to go like this, delete that, we don't need that. This zone's actually kind of big, so I definitely see it coming into this zone and pulling back a little bit. I don't think it's going to have, especially today, but I mean, Friday could be a big sell-off day. It does happen a lot, so don't really know much until after today. We'll see if this breaks through the zone today. Then, I mean, we're looking at a bit of a retrace here, and then maybe just a straight short come Monday. But ideally, this is going to run out of steam real soon once it hits this zone, and you do have this 7,500 level in here. So remember, price likes whole numbers, and it's going to find them as resistance. So you got your 7,500 level in here that it might be coming down to hit, and then pulling back up to this zone. And then come Monday, if it pulls back up to this zone, then we'll look for a trade from here, probably in between, anywhere between like this zone and this zone. There'll probably be something. And then if not, if price just breaks through this area here, then we're looking for a short down, something like this. You know, once price breaks, retraces. So that is my take for the UK 100, the FTSE. Just gonna have to wait till see how today closes, and then maybe look for our position on Monday. But yeah, sucks I wasn't awake for any of this, but I don't know if I would have even taken this. This wasn't as clear of a sign. Like, price came into the zone, pulled back, rejected a little bit, pulled down. So very good trade, just missed it, and I don't think the entry would have been as clear at the time as it is now. So, but that's good. We can see that the bear momentum came in, so that's what we want. Now we have a clear sign, and we'll just get on it on Monday. So that is the UK 100.